Normally, at this time of year, we start thinking of putting on extra layers when we go out, but you won't be thinking that this weekend, I can tell you, as we're expecting temperatures of up to 26, maybe even 27 degrees in and around London.
And Sarah, we've been reporting about global temperatures hitting a high in September. How's October shaping up?
Well, Rita, the first week of October is certainly pretty hot for several continents around the world, from North America to Australasia and to Europe as well. So this map shows the temperature anomaly across Europe. So areas that are expected to be hotter than we'd expect for this time of year. So you can see over the next few days the orange and red colours really concentrated across parts of Portugal, Spain, Ireland and the UK too. And it's down to the fact that we've got this big area of high pressure sitting across Europe, and the winds are rotating around that. So they're going to be coming up from the warm Mediterranean and North Africa, bringing us a rise in temperature and also some Saharan dust in the atmosphere as we head towards the weekend. So you might notice that with some vibrant sunrises and sunsets. Now out there today, a bit of a mixed picture. We've got some blue sky, some sunshine there in Norfolk, but other areas have got more cloud and outbreaks of rain, particularly towards the north. So this is the picture in Perth and Kinross at the moment. And we're going to keep with that mix. So yes, some rain in the forecast over the next couple of days, mainly in the north, but we're all going to notice that those temperatures are going to be rising as we head towards the weekend.
Good afternoon. It was a largely cloudy start first thing this morning, but the cloud, we had a few breaks leading to some glimpses of sunshine, but the cloud has been thinning, some decent spells of albeit hazy sunshine with that veil of high cloud. Elizabeth.
Hello, thank you, Rita. I'm going to start off by showing you the European temperature anomaly map, which, whereas you can see in the reds and the oranges marked here, we've had temperatures above where we'd expect to see them at this time of year. It's all set to continue. Record-breaking October warmth, of course, across Spain and the Canaries, and with high pressure building into the south of the UK, that warmth is coming our way, or it's coming towards England, Wales and Northern Ireland, but it will stay round about average across Scotland, also very wet here. And we've seen quite a lot of rain around today, of course, over the next few days. There's more rain to come in the forecast for the north, notably western Scotland. Further south, it's a lot drier, and as we said, it will be turning warmer. And here we'll see temperatures rise into the low to the mid-20s in Celsius. Just compare that to further north for Scotland. It's cool and it's wet with highs of only 11 to 14 degrees Celsius. Here's the temperature outlook for our capital cities as we head through the next few days. It's cool, it's wet across Scotland, but the unseasonable warmth continues further south.
We saw Wendy out earlier giving us some tips for the weekend because it's actually looking good and warm.
Certainly is looking warm, yeah. Some October warmth heading our way. I'll explain why and how warm it's going to get in just a moment. But we've seen temperatures so far this week, of course, still above the seasonal average. They will be rising. Beautiful mackerel skies spotted earlier right across the capital. This particular picture from Belvedere, but we've had others come in, so I think it's quite widespread. But it is set to stay dry, although a weather front not too far away. More on that in just a moment too. But it's been a lovely day today. Lots of sunshine around. Quite a bit of cloud too, but it was dry. There's a weather front to the north of us, but for us it is going to stay dry as we head through the weekend into the start of next week, and as we said, turning warmer too. So as we head through Sunday, well, the high pressure is just set to last. This cold front to the north will eventually bring a crashing halt to it, but not until we get to Wednesday of next week.
Hello. Much of Europe is seeing some significant October heat at the moment, and the UK, no exception. Things are going to be warming up over the next few days. Now, it was a bit of a mixed picture on Thursday. Here was some sunshine in Cornwall, but further north, many of us had more cloud and outbreaks of rain. So Keswick in Cumbria, a fairly drizzly story a little bit earlier on Thursday. Now, the next few days then, yes, some rain around, mainly towards the north, but I think we're all going to notice that the temperatures will be gradually rising, especially through the course of the weekend. Still, temperatures up to about 23 degrees in the southeast, typically the mid-teens, though, across parts of Scotland. So the outlook, lots of dry, warm weather for parts of England and Wales over the next 5 days or so. Few showers further north, but temperatures for all of us will be above average for the time of year.
Oh, and it's going to be a warm one this weekend.
It is, but there'll also be a fair bit of rain around for some of us as well. But let's start with the finer conditions at the moment. And as we run the air mass chart and also the jet stream, you can see it meanders its way from south to north, and that's what's going to pull in that warmer air, which is currently across the near continent, and that will be heading our way, giving temperatures a real boost. So let's get a quick check on what we're expecting. weekend. There hasn't been a great deal of change over the last few days. Still expecting highs to reach 25 on Friday, but more like 25, 26 as we push through Saturday and Sunday. And even Monday, it will be staying relatively warm. Certainly way above average for the time of year when you compare what is average for this time in October. It is 16 degrees Celsius for the UK. So a real mix in fortunes as we head through the next few days. As I say, watch out for that warning across Scotland at the weekend. Some of that rain is going to be quite heavy and persistent, but as you come further south, it's going to have a touch of summer, you might say, with highs of around 25, 26 degrees Celsius, way above average for the time of year. If anything changes, we'll keep you updated.
All right, Alex, thank you for that.